not a dime. It's gonna be fine, okay? Just listen to Captain Snowball and do exactly what he says. Unless he says something crazy, which he probably will. Anyways, have fun.
Your journey is paused temporarily. Boxes will resume motion shortly.
Mommy, guys, I have to lose a single button.
Remember to listen to Snowball. Something I never thought I'd say.
Don't be jealous. Some of us get boxes. Some of us get super cool high-tech truck. You can do it, Mommy.
Ladies and gentlemen, all vehicles will have resuming motion momentarily. Please remain seated, arms and legs inside the vehicle. Once again, all vehicles will be resuming motion momentarily. Please remain seated with arms and legs inside the vehicle.
Check out my button count. Yeah, a flying button. You can go home now. You can officially see it all. Hurry up, guys. Follow me, guys. I've yet to lose a single putt. And I know it. Don't be jealous. Some of us get boxes. Some of us get super cool high-tech junk. Go down this hallway.
Oh, cut you this way and that. I'll make you look like a waffle. Wait, I want to catch. No. Oh, okay, good one, guys. Let me go.
These rockets want to get us to the paint store twice as fast.
just wait till you spend the night in this thing. Oh.
You're welcome, people. It's a celebration.